Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section you have to find a device care. Let's tap on it. Now here we've got the app protection section, so let's tap on it and tap on turn on. Tap on turn on. And we have to tap on scan tablet. As you can see, your device will right now scan itself. It will scan the apps, the process, actually everything, in order to find any kind of malware, viruses, any kind of problems. Actually, be patient, because as you can see, it may take a little bit of time, but it is really important to keep your device safe and check it from time to time, to simply remove some unnecessary and harmful files. As you can see, no threats has been detected, which means that it is good. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.